In this video, let's talk about a somewhat controversial topic that has no clear answer necessarily. Is should you give free consultations to the leads as they come, and how long should your consultations be?
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
So the right answer is sometimes, but when? When you're starting out, the answer about free consultations is a resounding yes. In fact, you almost should be paying your customers to give them free consultations. Why? Because when talking to them, you get to learn firsthand what they want, what they need, how they want it, so that your next sales conversations are more productive. You'll get to know your customers' needs, create your product better, and everything, and you'll sell better, and you'll grow your business based on your deeper knowledge of your customers. So it's imperative to talk to your customers as much as possible. So they think that they're getting a free consultations, but really you're getting a tremendous amount of learning. And as your demand increases, you should do less things for free. Decrease the duration of your consultations, and maybe even eventually cut them out entirely at some point when you're getting too much demand, and turn them to paid. Because even the free ones, even if you give a 15-minute consultation, it's not a 15-minute consultation, because you have to schedule it, reschedule it, communicate. A 15-minute consultation is like 30 minutes worth of, on average, time that you're going to spend on it. So it's pretty expensive for you. So eventually you want to turn it to paid. In long term, you want to do two things. Either you can keep on increasing prices so that you can keep on, turning some people away so that you free up time in your day. But if you find yourself getting too overwhelmed with demand, you can, in addition to increasing prices, you can just simply hire more staff, more junior staff to handle these additional consultations. But that's only if you really want to expand and have your business grow. And then there's also complications with keeping that profitable, because cheap or free consultations, but you'll have to pay for your staff. So you'll be doing that at a loss. So it's very tricky to do it right. But of course, you can look at free consultations as essentially, it's something where it's a place where your sales start, and every sales organization has some junior staff that handles these initial conversations. So it's not too much out of the ordinary, as long as the thing you're selling is expensive enough that you can make your money back from the loss that you're going to incur on having the initial conversations provided to these very discounted or free leads. So that's the theory on when and how you should provide free consultations.